Hey guys, Lauren here, and I'm here to tell you a little bit about my experience so far with the 21-day flat belly fix program. Honestly, going into it, I was a little hesitant. I was kind of thinking it was a little too good to be true, but I have been seeing results, which is amazing. I am a mom, I'm a business owner, so I don't always have a lot of time to work out. And what I like most about this program is it's truthful. It's to the point, and it really gives you step by step what you need to do to start burning fat, which is always a good thing. Again, I've seen great results. I've been using it now for a few weeks, and it's the 21-day flat belly fix. So 21 days is what you use it for. And I'm really happy with the results and what I've seen so far. I was in an accident a little over a year ago, and it's really put a strain on me and what I can do in the gym, and honestly how often I can get to the gym. So this has been a relief to me. I'm really glad that I found this product, and it's really honestly helped me in other ways too. It's given me a lot more energy. I have a 2-year-old, so you can imagine on a daily basis the amount of energy I need just to keep up with him. So I've really seen an increase in my energy, my productivity, also my focus. So I've seen a lot of other benefits, just I guess more than just losing weight or burning fat. It's really benefited me in a lot of different ways. So I hope that you check it out. If you have any questions, I have all the information here, and let me know if you have any questions for me. Bye guys.